Hello, everyone. My name is Annalise Shane, and I'm the lead trainer for VIVOTEK. In today's presentation, we want to show you how VIVOTEK can help grow your business with AI-powered solutions and also with cloud connection. While some have adopted AI, many are finding the installation and the configuration a challenge. This adds up to a slower implementation for the installer and a higher learning curve for the user. I want to show you that no matter which platform you choose to record, VivoTech's AI solution is going to provide an easy way and a unified design in order to provide surveillance insight. So let's begin by showing you how VivoTech can save you time on the job site and even capture video revenue streams with our products that are powered with AI. With Vision Object Analytics, you can improve your investigation efficiency with edge-centric object extraction, path extraction, and lightning-fast search speed. All of this can be done on multiple platforms that VivoTech provides. It's a powerful function that's available on our Linux-based ND series NVRs, Vast Security Station, our VMS or video management software, and also Vortex, our video surveillance as a service or VSaaS line of products. With VivoTech's AI solution, it provides value by making our cameras do all the computing. Some benefits of edge computing is that it's secure. It improves data security by reducing data that's transmitted and processed by the server or even in the cloud. It helps save time during installation while it's working. And then with Edge AI, it enables the real-time analytics. There's no need to transmit data to the server, so it provides faster feedback. And also, it's going to help to keep the total cost of ownership down. There's no need for an expensive server. It's going to provide lower bandwidth, and also network resources are going to be kept to a minimum. And if you lose internet connection, the camera's still going to be able to process that data. Now, with our AI, it's also going to provide value in video analytics. These cameras are immune to false alarms that are triggered by foliage, rain, insects, and more, so that you can receive less false alarms. And because we are receiving less false alarms, we get extended recording durations if we're recording on events. Also, you can be informed of irregular behavior at specified times by creating alarms for specific actions. And we can also be proactive and prevent malicious activities by broadcasting a pre-recorded warning through an audio speaker. We can also save time and labor with VivoTech's AI in video investigation. Let's turn hours of playing back recorded video into seconds with automated investigation. Also, there's no need to spend any time during the initial setup of configuring the analytics settings on the cameras with this solution, because with the VivoTech's AI solution, it's simply connect and go. With our AI-driven solution, you can uncover video insight with our Vision Object Analytics. You can improve your investigation efficiency with powerful data that's uncovered by our AI cameras, people and vehicles with their unique appearance, and then also we can get color, gender, and also type and reduce duplicated search results with the precise object trace. And then with our deep search, you can receive unbelievably fast results with automated investigations. So what exactly is Vision Object Analytics? With Vision Object Analytics, not only can we analyze complex scenes in real time and recognize people and vehicles from the images, but also we can extract characteristics of the object, such as upper and lower body clothing color, accessories like hats and bags. With vehicles, we can extract the type, whether it's a car, truck, bus, motorcycle, or bike. Also, we can get the colors off those cars, trucks, and buses. Then with path extraction, every search result is distinct. We have precise path extraction that's going to effectively reduce those duplicated search results with accurate object tracking. And we can even perform similarity extractions. We can search for people. Maybe we want to find people that are wearing red shirts through a bunch of cameras. We're going to get a lot of results, which could be difficult for us to process. So we can improve all this with just one simple click of an image that's going to use the system to find similar looking people from all the cameras, making our searches simple and intuitive. All right, so you may be asking yourself which VivoTech cameras are capable of these different analytics. Well, let me first show you the different categories of our cameras that we have, and later I'll show you a very easy way of how to find the AI capabilities of our AI-powered cameras. So VivoTech's cameras are divided into three product segments. We have our Supreme series, our Versatile series, and our Competitive series. With our Supreme series, these cameras are going to be our specialized and our vertical oriented cameras and are tailored to meet unique needs. These cameras are going to provide analytics with no license required. And with these analytics, we can perform those deep searches in order to find events that are faster and easier. Our versatile series are basically anything you're ever going to need for any project. They are packed with advanced feature rich options that can be used in a diverse amount of applications. This series now provides you with different smart analytics at no additional cost now. They're built with robust housing and security in order to defend against cyber threats and also attacks. And then some of the models even provide you with easy installation with their modular design and help to save you up to 50% of your installation time. And then we have our competitive series. These cameras provide essential video and audio functions and the very basic everyday analytics. This line is very cost effective in order to provide more competitive offerings with a reliable and stable performance. But VivoTech's AI is mostly found in our Supreme and our Versatile series. However, we have just recently launched some cameras in our competitive series in order to give access to the Edge AI for everyone. These cameras are able to provide the Vision Object Analytics Suite at a very cost-effective price. So how do you set up the edge-based AI in VivoTech's cameras? Well, VivoTech provides all of these functions and the features and our AI implementation with minimal input from the user. It's going to happen without our installer even realizing it. There's no need for manual camera calibration or measuring of the camera's position, no extra software to install. The self-calibration is going to allow the camera to learn the scene and calibrate the algorithm for the optimal people and vehicle analytics results. The AI camera starts self-calibration from the moment it's powered on, and if it ever moves, it's going to relearn the scene if that field of view ever changes. With our AI capable ND series NVRs and our VMS metadata from those cameras, Vision Object Analytics, it's going to instantly flow through the system. There's no need for plugins, no module installation in the system. The NVRs and the VMS are all built natively to support the metadata from the Vision Object Analytics out of the box, keeping simplicity at its core. With our AI solution, again, it's just simply connect and go. Now let's talk about how to turn hours into seconds whenever we're searching from different platforms. Our deep search transforms the process while simplifying the user's judgment with automated investigation. Deep search is going to use AI in order to improve the search functionality. It's going to be comprised of three main functions: attribute search, scene search, and research. We're no longer having to rely on scrolling through video footage frame by frame. Our cameras are going to provide metadata to enable that intelligent video evidence in order to search. By utilizing the metadata that's defined attributes and rules, deep search provides smarter, faster, and easier inquiries that are going to require less effort. So again, VivoTech provides sophisticated deep searches. We have our attribute search, scene search, and research. With attribute search, we can perform searches and find persons or vehicles of interest by their appearance. We can use specific attributes so that we can quickly and accurately search for people and vehicles. With scene search, we can search by behavior. The interface doesn't just help you to find specific objects, we can also find by its trajectory. So scene search is going to allow users to quickly review camera footage by using intrusion, line crossing, and loitering detection on the recorded video. And finally, after receiving the best results that are brought out by attribute or scene search, we can then use that image to search for your person of interest again across all the cameras in the entire system. This is going to help the user to identify and track all of the activities of this person of interest throughout the property. The deep search user experience is designed for operational efficiency to help to reduce the time that's needed for footage selection. Each search result comes with a cropped and a zoomed in image of the person or the vehicle. The best shot captures the clearest view of the person or the vehicle during their appearance in front of the camera. And you also get distinct search results from the precise tracking. Precise path extraction indicates the trace of the subject without the need to play a video footage. With accurate object tracking, it provides even bigger benefit. So if it's effectively going to reduce the duplicated search results, ensuring that every search result is distinct. The subject's path comes with a clear indication of the starting point and the end point, and this is going to make it extremely intuitive to identify the trace of the person or the vehicle without even needing to do the video playback. So, in order to provide you with a unified experience with our AI driven solution, we provide these powerful functions on our Linux based Core Plus AI NVRs, our VMS, which is Vast Security Station, and our VSaaS solution, Vortex. Whichever platform you choose to deploy on, our unified design is going to bring you the surveillance insight in the same experience. So let's begin with our Core Plus AI NVRs. These are our Linux-based NVRs that can perform most of the deep searches that we just went over. The Core Plus AI series NVRs are 8-channel all the way up to 32-channel PoE embedded NVRs, and all of these NVRs provide secure connections, have cyber protection via the Trend Micro, and are all NDAA compliant. The 26P NVRs are H.265 Linux-based standalone NVRs with embedded PoE. It's equipped for up to 8 channels or 16-channel network cameras. The NVRs support 8 or 16 AT or AF PoE ports. These NVRs also support 2 hard drives and RAID 0 and 1. The 42P NVRs are similar to the 26Ps that we just went over. They're H.265. They support 16 PoE ports. However, these NVRs are going to support 4 hard drives and are able to support RAID 0, 1, and 5. They have 16 alarm inputs and 8 alarm outputs. So with any of these AI NVRs, we can perform smart VCA event searches and recordings, and also these NVRs support remote and mobile access via Vortex and then the iViewer apps for both iOS and also your Android handheld devices. Now, in order to easily perform our deep searches from the NVRs, you will need to use the local console. And in the menu, we're going to click on the deep search icon. So in this demo, we're just going to perform a scene search and then an attribute search. So let's select one camera. We'll add a rule. For this one, we're going to go with intrusion detection. We're going to go ahead and draw our box, configure the area, then we'll select the date and time, and then we'll go ahead and run the search. And here we could see anytime a person has intruded into that zone. Let's go ahead and add an attribute into this and narrow down our results. So here we could see we're finding people in white shirts that have intruded into this zone. Now, with our video management software, Vast Security Station, you can get seamless integration with Vision Object Analytics as well. With VSS Standard or Pro, you're able to perform object, scene, and attribute searches. And if you're needing to perform the research, then we'll need to go with the VSS Pro version. So going over the different versions that VSS offers, it's conveniently divided into 3 editions. We have our Light, Standard, and Professional. Our VSS Lite is going to be our base tier. It's our freeware. It will connect up to 32 VIVOTEK cameras, very basic functionality. This one is not going to allow you to use your AI function, the AI deep searches for the basic version. However, with our standard version, this is for our small to medium business applications. With this version, we're able to perform some of the deep searches. We have our attribute search and our scene search. And then if you're looking for all of the capabilities that VSS provides, then we'll need to go with our VSS Pro. Our VSS Pro version includes all of the functions that Standard provides, but also it includes at no extra cost or licenses needed. It's included with the license cost for the cameras. We get the extended TV wall matrix, CMS and substation failover, GIS, GPS location tracking. We also provide with user-defined roles and then recording encryptions. And then with this one, we're also able to do our deep searches. So we have attribute search, scene search, and including research. And then if we go with the latest version, VSS version 1.2, then we can now perform research on those ND series NVRs that we just went over that are connected to VSS Pro. So let's show off the different deep searches that are available with VSS. We could find people with attributes. This search is going to be available on Standard and Pro. And this one, we're just looking for people in orange shirts. We can also find blue trucks with vehicles with attribute searches. Again, Standard and Pro. We can use scene search in order to find anytime a motorcycle has crossed a line. And then with VSS Pro, we can research or re-identify our subject of interest throughout all of the different cameras. With the latest update to VSS, we now have Case Vault. In typical video surveillance setups, security incidents often require personnel to review footage and produce reports. Traditional surveillance software can make this process time-consuming. VSS provides the deep searches that we just went over to help our users investigate incidents more efficiently. In version 1.2, we've enhanced this feature further to streamline incident investigation, ultimately improving surveillance efficiency and reducing manpower costs. So let me show you a quick demo of how this works. So let's say that we have a laptop that went missing. With VSS, we can perform a scene search to see any time a person has intruded into this area. Then we can identify our subject and then perform a research and discover their footprints. Add it to our case vault so that we can trace the incident. And then report the findings with auto report. So from this demo, you can see how our latest VSS is going to transform hours of manual work into a few efficient clicks. All right, to ensure that you're using our AI compatible products with Vision Object Analytics in order to perform those deep searches that we just went over, you're going to want to choose network cameras, NVRs, and the VMS with the AI icon. So be sure to check out the website provided so that we can ensure the camera that we select are able to perform the deep searches that we need. So we're going to head over to VIVOTEK's webpage, click on Solutions, AI-driven solution, and then deep search system requirements. Here we're going to see each type of deep search and its description, also followed by the cameras that are supported by default and if any additional licenses is necessary. Attribute search is going to require cameras that support attribute extraction, and research or re-identifying the person by searching across the entire system require the attribute extraction feature as well. Another great resource to check out which video content analytics that each camera provides. We can go to our website and get to the camera analytic chart. So if we go and hover over products, go over network cameras, and then click on camera analytic chart, we're going to be able to see each camera that has AI capabilities, which analytics they support, and if a license is included or a purchase is required. All right, so now let's get into cloud and how we can help our integrators save time and money and efficiently provide superior service to their customers while delivering an intuitive way for their customers to easily view their cameras and quickly perform deep searches anytime and anywhere. With our VSAS line Vortex, you can decide which deep searches you're going to need and choose between the standard or premium line of cameras. With our standard line of cameras, you're going to be able to perform object and scene searches on people and vehicles, and then also choose the premium line of cameras if you're wanting to perform attribute and research deep searches. And because these cameras record directly to the SD card and have a cloud backup option, there's no need to worry about which NVR or server to connect these cameras to. Everything is going to be managed from the web UI. Now, there's two major types of VSaaS, video surveillance as a service, right? We have hosted and managed, and this is just going to depend on where the video is stored. Managed video is whenever the video is stored on site, as it traditionally has been, just like the options that we've gone over earlier, but it's managed in the cloud. How hosted video is whenever the video is stored in the cloud, not on site, as well as managed in the cloud. Well, hybrid video is whenever the video is partially stored on site and partially in the cloud, and this is exactly where Vortex lies. Our VSaaS solution is going to integrate deep learning-based cameras with cloud hosting services. It's going to process multiple data streams, so video, audio, analytics, metadata, and send out incident alerts and perform video searches using that metadata. Services built on cloud architecture, making multi-site surveillance both simple and cost-effective. It's going to provide greater flexibility. So with the various camera models for every project need, also, our Vortex cameras are not going to hold you hostage. You can flash back any of those cameras to OnVIF if you ever decide that you want to go back to the on-prem solution. Also, the solution is so easy. You have reduced installation time, zero configuration, and the storage is scalable. So if your customer ever needs to add more cameras, then no problem, just add new cameras to Vortex as needed. Anytime, anywhere, remote management and viewing, it's going to make it easier for those multi-site enterprises or mid-sized organizations in order to manage their video surveillance systems. Also, automatic system and camera firmware upgrades, and then the ability to instantly share and export video. Plus, all of the Vortex cameras are going to provide you with a 10-year warranty as long as they're continuously licensed. Now, some of you may be wondering about cybersecurity because it's a huge concern nowadays, but cybersecurity is arguably the biggest benefit of VSaaS, in particular whenever it comes to remote monitoring, because that system is securely accessible directly with an internet connection. It does not require any firewall configuration, nor does it need a VPN client in order to connect to those cameras. So the most common network vulnerability for video surveillance is going to be those publicly available ports on an NVR or a VMS, which are open through the user's firewall or the router. With VSaaS, it's going to offer a phone home camera or bridge that establishes the secure connection directly to the cloud service. Don't have to worry about any of those opening up ports or insecure firewall configurations. And then also we have the firmware and the software vulnerabilities. Those are going to be applied much quicker and remotely by us without any action from the user or the integrator. Also, Vortex is going to provide data security through end-to-end data transmission encryption using a 256-bit encryption. This is going to cover the data during transmission and while it's at rest, including the storage on the camera's SD card and in the cloud. So in case if that data is ever intercepted, it's going to remain encrypted and it's going to be very challenging in order to decipher it. All right, Vortex is going to provide a hybrid model in order to fulfill different market needs. We have our bridge to cloud solution. It's great for those that don't want to replace their cameras immediately, but are still wanting to view their cameras, live views, and also recordings in the cloud. And for those that are wanting an easy direct to cloud solution, we have plenty of cameras to choose from for that as well. So let me go ahead and start off with our bridge to cloud solution, Vortex Connect. With Vortex Connect, you can take the current on-prem system to the cloud just by scanning the QR code in the NVR. No need to port forward, no need to search for the NVR's IP address, no need for a DDNS. Just turn on the Vortex Cloud service with the toggle button, scan that QR code, and that's going to appear, and then you can have anytime, anywhere access to the cameras. Also, no need to port forward. You eliminate the vulnerabilities that come with port forwarding, and all the data is secure from end to end. Again, 256-bit encryption. This is going to be available for any of the OnVIF Profile S cameras. And then once the NVR is connected to the Vortex Connect, our integrators can then remotely manage and set up the NVR from the comfort of their office. No longer do you have to port forward in order to have that remote access to the NVR's interface. So you can manage the cameras, configure the recording settings, set up alarms, all within the Vortex user portal. You can even push over the air firmware updates, reboot the NVR, reboot the cameras. Any changes that you can make from the web UI of the NVR, you can do it in the cloud portal. So the cloud management feature is available with the free version of Vortex Connect. So think of how much easier installation and configuration and troubleshooting is going to be with this new feature. Once you've added all the AI NVRs to the Vortex portal, you can then view all of the cameras in one place. Not only that, but Vortex Connect can also help to reduce clutter and enhance awareness in each location because with this free cloud management, you can create unlimited number of groups so users can easily organize all of their systems by location, importance, or any other way that they choose. Also, this hybrid solution is going to allow our users to receive automated mobile phone push notifications in order to keep them informed of events. So it doesn't matter which one it is, whether it's a system issue, it's going to help to minimize the risk of missing vital information. You can set customized alert schedules in order to receive push notifications at specific times. Say you don't want to receive notifications during the day, but you want to receive it at nighttime in case there's an intrusion, but not during the daytime whenever workers are present. Also, our users can make informed, immediate decisions since they're able to visually verify the legitimacy of an event with just a quick tap on the mobile phone. And then for our integrators, you can provide efficient technical support because with the remote management that we just went over, and then also the over the air firmware updates. So just a single click of the mouse is going to provide your NVRs with that upgrade. Has simplified IT maintenance because of the web-based software that VIVOTEK maintains without any input from the user or the integrator. And the reseller portal is going to allow our integrators to manage their customers' accounts and then also the devices remotely, helping to save valuable time and eliminating the need for unnecessary on-site visits. So which NVRs are compatible with Vortex Connect? The ones that we went over earlier. The AI NVRs that we went over earlier are going to allow you to take the system to the cloud. The 8 and 16 channel ND26P and the 16 and 32 channel ND42P series NVRs. These NVRs are ready to use with Vortex Connect once it's been upgraded to version 4.4 firmware or higher. The current firmware can easily be found on the corresponding model's webpage. All right, now for those of you that are wanting to go with the other solution, that's as easy as just connecting a camera to power and having an internet connection, we have our direct to cloud cameras. Those are two lines of cameras depending on the AI needs. We have our Essential series and our Premium series. Essential series are our cost competitive line. They have a compact design and then can also detect and search for both people and vehicles. And then we can create real-time alerts for people and vehicle-based rules like line crossing, loitering, or intrusion detection, or even object detection where we can create missing object detection or unattended object detection rules. Then we have our premium cameras, which are going to provide the most robust AI capabilities. These are our specialty cameras that can do everything the Essential series can do, but they're also able to do those attribute search. So search for people or vehicles by specific attributes like gender, age, clothing, and accessories, or even vehicles by type and color. Also, these premium cameras are going to allow you to perform profile searches, meaning you can search by facial images. Vortex cameras are going to use edge storage for the VSAS solution. Edge storage is the use of in-camera onboard storage as the primary storage option, and it's going to offer three advantages. We have lower storage acquisition costs due to there not being any need for on-site recording systems. The AI integration and the network load is reduced because the edge-based real-time analytics and the storage in this VSS model. And then the scalability is another feature because adding another Vortex camera that incorporates edge storage is so simple. The Vortex camera is going to record to the SD card with the analytics always running. It provides 30 days of storage in standard definition or SD resolution that is guaranteed. So for 2 megapixel cameras, 720p, 5 megapixel cameras is 960p. However, recording is going to go into full resolution, whatever the camera's capability is. That's going to be activated whenever a moving person or a vehicle is detected in the camera's line of sight. Licensing these cameras is so easy. Vortex is going to provide you a choice on the type of license to purchase based on what you need from the Vortex system in regards to storage. So the standard license, annual license, provides cloud connection to have anytime, anywhere access to your cameras with unlimited video archives. If you're needing cloud backup for redundancy or maybe a longer term backup, then we have the cloud storage add-on licensing that's available. And then this add-on license is going to provide 30, 60, 90, all the way up to 365 days of cloud backup of your recorded video. Now, let me show you a live demo of the powerful analytics that Vortex provides and then how it's a similar experience to the other platforms' deep searches as well. Here's Vortex. Let's come over here. I want to go to deep search. And then for this, I want to show you a couple of different searches that we can do. So I just want to show that we have multiple cameras throughout the world, Japan, Latin America, Taiwan, USA. But I just want to go to one central location so I can show you how fast and efficient research is. So let's go ahead and select. I just want to see everybody that's come through the doors over the last hour. I can go over here to go to face just so that I can make sure that I'm seeing somebody's face very clearly. And then let's go ahead and perform a research. So just click on the magnifying glass. And then anytime that he has come into the office over the last hour, we'll see the pop-up. But I want to show you how I can find the same person over the past 2 weeks and how fast our results are going to pop up. So over the 2 weeks, you saw instantly I had, what was that, less than a second? I received over 75 results of the same person every time they came in front of any of the cameras at our San Jose office. All right, so in conclusion, VIVOTEK is going to provide multiple platforms to help our integrators to save time and make money with AI and cloud with quick and easy installation, remote management, AI providing fast investigation and less annoying false alarms. All of this with a unified experience, so no matter which platform you decide to go with. Now, in order to provide you guys with a very easy way to test out these new products, with our Easy Safety promo, our VPP members get a significant discount off of one Vortex NVR. Also, if you'd like to test out the different capabilities of our direct-to-cloud solution and our hybrid solution with Vortex Connect, then we're also offering this demo kit that's going to include the Vortex Connect enabled 8-channel NVR along with 5 megapixel premium dome camera and a 5 megapixel essential bullet camera. The 4-port PoE on this list is optional, but it is recommended since the Vortex cameras need to have a direct connection to the cloud. Also, this is a light managed switch. So in case you'd like to test out the remote management capabilities within Vortex. So this kit is available to our partners at over 70% off MSRP pricing. If you're not a partner and you would like to become one, please reach out to our outside sales staff at VU_OST@VIVOTEK.com, and they can help you to register for our partner program. It's specifically tailored to assist our partners in achieving growth and success. So just by signing up, you're going to receive a 5-year product warranty on VIVOTEK products. You're going to be enrolled in our exclusive incentive program, and you're going to be provided with cloud-powered connectivity, and also you can start providing your customers with effortless remote management through our Vortex reseller portal. All right, guys, if y'all have any questions at all, you can contact your sales rep or go to our website and find more information on all of our products there, www.vivotek.com. All right, so be sure to stay connected by following us on LinkedIn and watch our recorded webinars on our YouTube channel. Also, you can go to our learning management site at na-academy.vivotek.com. Thank you guys so much for attending today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.